everyone! So, hulaan nyo kung nasan ako ngayon mga mamshis. Mamasyal naman tayo in a minimal way. Wag lang puro sa bahay. Let's stretch those legs and body. And here's your minimalist mom saying, hello, hello, Baguio! Let's talk about Baguio City this time. So, Baguio City, it is known as the summer capital of the Philippines, and it is highly urbanized city in the province of Benguet, located in the northern part of Luzon, and it is famous for its cool climate, scenic mountain views, and vibrant culture. Marami kang makikita dito. Alam mo, maglalakad ka lang sa park na ito, satisfying na. Ayan. So, nakikita ninyo yung scenic, view. And it's really satisfying, actually. And you know what? Baguio City sits about like 4,820 feet. Wow! Napakataas niyan! Making it significantly cooler than most parts of the Philippines. And the city enjoys temperatures between 15 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius, making it a popular escape from the tropical heat. Kaya naman, maraming turista dito. Diba? And it is surrounded by lush pine trees. But alam ko, hindi lang pine trees, marami ring trees dito as you go along, walk in this park. Ayan, panay trees na ang makikita nyo sa isa sa mga parks dito sa ating city. Diba? And magandang maglakad-lakad dito, especially yung alam mo yung pahapon na ayan, it's sunset already, and the sunset, it is really very great. Gustong-gusto ko ng sunset, ewan ko, but it fills my soul. Ay! Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng park na ito. And of course, this is a central park, okay, where you could see lake, gardens, and recreational activities as well. It's really a popular tourist attraction. So aside from this sunset na nakikita nyo dito, marami pa kayong makikita. Like this one, the lake, diba? Yung is it Blue Lagoon? No, Burnham Lagoon. Centerpiece of the park where visitors can rent boats. Diba? It's either rowboats or swan boats for a relaxing ride on the man-made lake. Yeah, it is a man-made lake. Akala nyo natural yan? No, 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 no. May history yan, mga kapatid. Diba? Napaka-relaxing dito. At alam nyo ba, pwede rin kayo mag-rent ng boat. Pag may manlilibre sa inyo, why not? Diba? Sumakay din kayo ng boat, mommies. At napaka-relaxing ang mag-isip-isip dito sometimes with friends and families. Ayan. So, kung may budget kayo, why not? Row, row, row about. Parang ako, tingnan nyo. Sumakay na ako sa isa sa mga swan boats dyan sa lake na yan. But don't you worry, may mga kasama ako dyan at sila ang nag-row, row, row. Siyempre, mukhang hindi na kaya ng mamshi ang mag-row, row, row. Kaya kailangan meron kang backup dyan, diba? And thank you to my friends na nanlibre dyan. Oh. And meron din tayong skating rink, malapit lang. Or this is within the park actually, where you can rent roller skates or bring your own skates for some fun skating time. Ayan. So, akala nyo, hindi ako makaskate? Nakakaskate pa rin ang inyong momshi. I really enjoy malaglag-laglag na dyan kasi alam mo na, tumatanda na, di ba? And of course, mommies for children, makakakita ka rin dito ng mga just simple things that you can buy for your children, of course, yeah, in a minimal budget. So, kailangan may mga minimal budget ka ring baon for your children. So, may mga restaurants din na inyong makakainan, especially na nagutom kayo roaming around the park, 'di ba? So if you want to have a heart-to-heart talk with somebody at gusto na ninyong kumain ganyan, nagutom kayo, may mga economical, restaurants malapit sa park. And not only that, may mga fast foods din. So it's really good to bring sometimes yung mga children sa fast food, 'di ba? Para naman makalasa ng bitchin eh. Joke lang. And pag nagsawa na kayo sa park, ayan, punta naman kayo sa SM. Ayan. So, nalalakad lang yan. At pagpunta nyo po dyan, may view deck po sila at nakikita nyo pa rin ang Burnham Park. It's really relaxing sometimes na to go around the city. Yeah, maski maglakad-lakad lang in one day. Alam mo ba yon, yung pagod na relaxing? May pagod ba na relaxing? So contradicting, di ba? Pero, just to unwind yourself sometimes para naman ma-re-energize ang iyong sarili. Not only ang iyong sarili, but also the kids. You could also bring the kids here, maglakad-lakad, and it's so satisfying. So, there you go. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you more. God bless you.